Guys, our smoky rice is ready. Smoky hot. Asun Dodo and our smoky hot jollof rice. And our special. Say what, say what, say what. Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Hey guys, I came to this for this vacation to relax, have some fun, do some shopping, and of course cook for my loved ones and customers. So right here I have a customer that I'm making jollof rice for, my signature beans, and Asun Dodo. Anyway guys, I can always tell you, I carry you along and show you what I do and how I do it. So without further ado, let me show you what I have for today. Let's go. So right here, I'm making my signature beans. I'm still in the boiling process. I have smoked my asun for the plantain, and I equally have smoked my peppers, mixed peppers for my jollof rice. Anyway guys, I'll keep you posted. Don't go anywhere. Like what you see, do so well to like, share, subscribe now. What are you waiting for? All right guys, let's go. And right here, my mix, I have my control onions, jasmine, rosemary, coriander, star anise, and pepper that I mixed here. I brought away from Nigeria. This is my recipe I used to make my jollof rice. Like I always tell you, I bring about information, entertainment. So this is just informing you, giving you an expo on how to make your jollof rice top notch right here. So I'll sure keep you posted. Everywhere is scattered right now, but of course, you know, I always tell you, when you are cooking, you make sure you cook and clean all at once. And let's smoke our peppers. Let's blend it. Let's smoke. We smoked already. Let us blend it. I have here my oopsie, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, habanero pepper. So once again, you don't have to boil, bring it to boil again. Make it fast. Easy peasy. See the time to change. Let them taste this my signature beans. They're different from the rest. Different from the rest. They say Gucci. No offense, but some members can call it Gucci. smoked prawns in my beans. Like I tell you, my signature beans is out of this world. If I do say so myself, with my full chest, it is divinely delicious. You know, go see any other place except from Lamide, except for moi. My grandma taught me, by the way. Rest in peace, grandma. Keep on resting in peace. I love you. Thanks for all you taught us. I'm a good cook today, thanks to my grandma and the extension of my mom too. I'm a queen in the kitchen. Just give me a kitchen and give me ingredients. Go and sleep. Forget it. I will cook you a stone. I promise you that. Try me. Just try me. You'll see. Now I'm in the kitchen and I'm so happy. I'm in my elements. I feel so, I don't know. What is just missing in this kitchen for me is music to ginger me, you know. Okay, so we're focusing on the beans now, on our lewa. I will just put red cloves to make it delicious. This is our asun. So I want to slice the bell peppers now so that we start the business proper. The pepper is blended now. I like the consistency. I like the results. And the smell. The ginger, the garlic, the rosemary, the seasoning cube I put inside, the habanero just gives it a very divine taste, divine smell, divinely divine. Okay, like I say, we are cleaning the kitchen. As you're cooking, you clean, put things back in place. That way you don't get tired easily. As you're cooking, you're cleaning, putting things back in place. By the time you finish cooking, you're almost done. That's my spirit of the energy I get in the kitchen. Whilst you're boiling something, frying something, at the same time too, your hand is moving, adjusting, cleaning, so that when you finish cooking proper, you know you just use storage and wash the pots. I had to wake up when it was sleeping. I had to put it on fire the Nigerian way. I showed you my secret recipe, but I will not show you. That's why it's called a secret. I will not show you what I put and how I put it, because that's my secret recipe. Water so it doesn't burn. My cayenne pepper from Nigeria. I can't cook tamarind pepper. It has a very unique taste. Unique blend that I like in all my foods. No matter how careful you are in picking your beans, I don't know how corn finds its way into beans. No matter how well you pick it, just see corn. No matter how careful you are, corn was always, you see corn. I don't know the logic behind it. So guys, I'm pretty frying my dodo here, but I'm pretty much doing, and I'm sauteing the asun. Check it out, guys. Don't you like what you see? Looks so colorful. I want it dry so that it marinates and gums with the asun. They do it like that. Guys, our smoky rice is ready. Smoky hot. Yeah, so guys, I'm done in the kitchen. I have here with me my chicken stew, Asun Dodo, and our smoky hot jollof rice, and our special signatory beans. Also did it. Proud of my work. I have passion for cooking, and anyway, guys, like I always tell you, I teach you, educate you, entertain you, and I inform you. And this is how we do it right here in Maryland. Baltimore is what I have been up to, up and about with Olley, what I've been up to while I have got to my vacay. My vacay, I have shopped, I have worked out, and I have cooked and cooked and cooked some more. Anyway, guys, I came here to do what I love doing best, and I achieved it. And I will see you. I'm going to the next destination now. This is my 9th kitchen, my 10th kitchen now. I'll be making fisherman soup. Anyway, guys, let me let the cat out of the bag. I'll see you when I see you. Bon appetit. Bye, yeah. Oh, quick one here. If you like what you see, do so well to like, share, subscribe. Please do subscribe. For your baby girl, subscribe. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, yeah.